Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the phone is online and tied to your Google account. That connection is what lets you push a lock command. Once signed in at Find My Device, Google.com, pick the exact device name so you don't lock the wrong phone. Next, choose the secure or lock action and enter a simple temporary PIN and message. That command replaces the pattern on many Android devices. Make sure to click Send or Lock so the command propagates to the device immediately. Once done, monitor the target phone. The lock command must arrive over the network, so be patient for a brief moment. When the device accepts the command, enter the temporary PIN you set to unlock the screen. This step lets you bypass the old pattern and regain access. After unlocking, immediately open Settings, go to Security or Lock Screen Options, and change or remove the pattern. Set a new PIN or biometric if preferred to secure the device long-term. To finish, verify the new lock settings and test by locking and unlocking the phone yourself to confirm the pattern is replaced. If the lock command never reaches the device, first confirm the phone shows online in Find My Device and that location and internet are enabled. Then retry the lock. As a last resort, use Erase to factory reset. This removes data but restores access. Troubleshooting tip: if commands fail, reboot the phone remotely by toggling its network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.